Hey everyone, I just want to take a second to show you how to use your virtual field trip today. If you look here, I'm in a student view of my Canvas page. I'm in the modules for this week, and after I've completed all of these, I'm going to click the Regions of Georgia virtual field trip. And in it tells you that first thing you do is download the virtual field trip chart. So I'm going to click that. And it won't download for me because I am in student view, but on your end it will download. And then what I'm going to do, it says you will need to click the picture above to go on the virtual field trip. So I'm going to click the picture. It takes me to the Regions of Georgia. First thing you need to do is click launch, and then a map of Georgia is going to pop up with the regions. You will need to fill out your map that is on the instruction sheet. You need to label it and you need to color in your map. This is going to become a study guide for you. And then the way this field trip works is you are going to click on each region. For example, I clicked on Valley and Ridge. You can see here when you scroll up, there's a little bar, sidebar right here. You can scroll up or down to find out all your information about the region. You can click right here. It says more info. So you click down. There's a video for you to watch on the region. You can click the arrow again. Information about battles, mining. You can click those and it's going to take you to a different page for that region. Hold on, let's see if I can get back. It's not going to let me get back. There we go. Click down again, and it fills this in so that you know that you've already completed this region. Another easy way to do this is click, you see the three bars right here, the three dots, the three bars. You can click that and it will take you through each one. You can watch your video. You can look at the photos, click on the photos to find more information. Click on the name to find your information, your overview. Did you know? A little more facts. You can click on those and it will take you in so you can find a little more facts. This one's about bats. If you're a bat person, this one's really cool to watch. But I just wanted to show you quickly how to do that. As you are doing this, you're going to be filling out your chart with your information that you find throughout this field trip. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email, let me know, and I'll try to help you as best as I can.